There's energy stored whenever you lift an object high. Against Earth's gravity, it's the reason why. Yeah, gravitational potential energy is its name. Measured in joules, physics is the game. Yeah, mass multiplied by gravity's acceleration times height gives you the calculation. The formula clear, let's keep it straight. U equals M times G times H. Gravitational potential energy. Mass, gravity, and height combine precisely. Energy stored due to position Z. GH gives the quantity. Z. Increase the height, you'll store more energy. Mass goes up, potential rises steadily. Gravity is constant near Earth's surface zone, 9.8 meters per second squared. Well known at the top position, maximum potential stored. Release the object, kinetic is restored. Energy converts, conservation stays true. Total energy constant, nothing gained or lost too. Gravitational potential energy. Mass, gravity, and height combine precisely. Energy stored due to position Z. MGH gives the quantity. Position matters greatly in this energy state. Higher elevations make potential elevate. Hey, is physics clear and simple? No debate. Understanding concepts helps your knowledge escalate. Roller coasters climbing to their peak. Potential energy reaches a peak unique. Descending downwards converts directly. Kinetic energy gains mathematically. Gravitational potential energy. Mass, gravity, and height combine precisely. Energy stored due to position Z. GH gives the quantity. So now you've learned the key essentials clear. Mass, gravity, height, the facts appear. Gravitational potential energy displayed. In equations and song, knowledge conveyed.